No, no, right inside yesterday's. Yeah, we're trading inside, yesterday's, daily candle. Um, yeah, so we are right inside, yesterday's, daily candle right there. So this is the lows of the yesterday daily candle at 29,934. The highest was 30,598, and we are right inside yesterday's daily candle. So hopefully we can get a breakout to the outside. I'm really hoping that we can get a break to the outside of yesterday's daily candle, so that it doesn't become choppy and sideways kind of as it can be sometimes, especially on let's see what today brings into the table. Yeah. It's seriously checking. It moves from 1 point to 15 points, just like that. You gotta be careful. Yeah, unless maybe you have some kind of appetite, to be chopped. The way it's checking in, especially on the on TraderBait. On TradingView, it's a little bit stable. But when you go on TraderBait, that's where you get to see the real action, how it's moving. It's crazy, it's wild, and you gotta be careful that you don't get chopped in this market. Tomorrow there's going to be NFP, non-farm payroll, which is big news. It's a serious red, folder news. Even today there's ISM as well. I think it's already passing gone. Let me check. Yeah, I know today there was some kind of red news coming. Okay, so it's coming in 15 minutes. So right our 15 minutes off. No, I think it's already. Okay, 2. It's actually 2 p.m. Yeah. So I see the ISM news, the ISM manufacturing. Tomorrow though we have non-farm, which is a huge one. Yeah. Which is a major news. So yeah, people will be loaded, waiting for this one. People will be loaded waiting for this one to come in. Yeah. Market is really pushing down like crazy, eh? Market is pushing down like crazy. 15 point, 15 point. It's just 10 point, 50 point difference. That's ridiculous, eh? Crazy. Look at the pullback. The pullbacks are dangerous, guys. God, the pullbacks are dangerous. You gotta be careful. 5 more minutes and now our up was going to be set. Kind of a reversal going on here. Right. Yep, 15 minutes up is now set. Guys, it is now set here. So I'm gonna put a Yep. So the highs is 30,259. And the lows of the 50 minutes up is 30,088. How can I hit this about 5 minutes ago for a buy, and now that it's showing? It's crazy, eh? How can I hit this for a buy, and it is now showing? That's crazy. It is as if trading view is broken. You hit on buy, sell, and it takes 1 minute for it to reflect on the chart. By the time price has already gone, multiple times already. Has already done some few trips of that trade. That's crazy, eh? Look at this one. It's already done. Look at that. That's so crazy, eh? So crazy. So all this action and all this noise is all right inside the 15 minutes up. Make no mistake about it. We're still sitting right inside this 15 minutes up. It's now trying to push up. I see the momentum building up, but we're still within. So we got a long way to go. All right. Still about how many points away to the upside, if that is even if it's gonna break. That's about 31 points or so. Yeah, 32 points to the break of the highs of the 15 minutes up. So we still have a long way to travel. Yeah. A lot of serious week actions over here. The 1 minute. So I'm looking at. The 5 minutes looks kind of decent, but 1 minute looks nasty. A lot of week price action going on over here. It's crazy, eh? The rejection right there. This is crazy. What can buyer? It keep us 25 seconds before you get a reaction. By the time that it comes in, a price action has already done whatever it wants to do. I hope you guys are not trading directly from TradingView, because there's been some lag the past few days.
I mean, that's what we've been trading from, and it's not helpful at all.
Yeah, there's some lag in there.
No, not just today. Trading, sometimes you see a profit before you catch it, you're already in negative.
Wow.
Yeah. The trading view hasn't.
But by the time I hit a buy a long time ago, and action does not take place, and the price action continues. I come back before it come in.
The trading view hasn't been helpful when it comes to the momentum trading. Yeah. And then when you, the last time you showed us that if you don't have the TP and the stop loss, you can put, buy, sell, and stop sell. When you get there, it hit. I tried and it never went on my side. I have no idea about it.
Oh, like if you put, let's say, a bucket order and then you put another one also over there as maybe your take profit something, it didn't work for you.
Yes, maybe I didn't do it very well. How do you do it?
So maybe like a buy, for instance, like this one, I put a buy over here. So if I want my take profit, I can put a sell limit over here.
As you put a sell limit on top.
So when it hits it, and a normal circumstance, it's supposed to take me out. You see, they are taking me out.
Yeah,
that's my
problem. Let me try the paper trading right here and see.
So when you do a buy, you need to put another sell limit at the top. That will be a take profit, and then a sell stop at the bottom as your stop loss.
Okay, I'm doing it right now to see.
Yeah, that's how it works. That's how this thing. Crazy. Yeah, be careful of this zone over here, where I put the rectangle box over there, Yep, so for a sell, same thing. Buy stop at the top, buy stop will be your stop loss, and then buy limit at the bottom for a take profit. And then when you do a buy, a sell limit at the top will be your take profit, and then a sell stop at the bottom as your stop loss. Yes. So for instance, if I do a buy right now, I'm buying, I hit a buy, I just have to put on top of it over here, sell limits. So when I put a sell limit here, that's my take profit. And when I put something at the bottom over here, a sell stop, that will be my stop loss. So this one's my stop loss, this is my take profit. So that's the difference between the two. Right? So that's for a buy. So my take profit is right here at the top, and then my stop loss is this one at the bottom over here. Let's see, trading view is really laggy because it already hit the profit already, but it didn't even do anything. So I don't know which one hit. They take profit, they don't hit, and then the buy stop loss actually hit. Was that a test of the 15 minutes up? I think it came up a little bit, right? It touched it for a little bit, but it didn't break out, right?
Now right click on it and let me see what you see. Okay.
So right here.
Okay, so so the buy limit will be at the top.
Yeah, so buy limit, a sell limit. If I do a buy, right? Mm-hmm. If you do a buy, then the sell limit will be at the top as your take profit, right? If you do a buy, so let's say if I do a buy over here, let's say I'm doing a buy, let's say a buy stop right here, right? Mm-hmm. If I do a buy stop over here, or even if I do market buy, same thing. I'll right click over here, and then I'll put a sell limit at the top of it, and the sell limit is going to be my take profit.
Okay. Let me see if
So my buy stop has already taken place. So if I want my take profit, I'll do a sell limit at the top of it.
Okay. When you right click, what you see on there is different from what I see. I don't see the sell limit. I see only sell stop on mine. So that was really cool.
Because maybe it depends on what you have taken. did you take a sell or a buy right now?
This is a buy.
It's a buy. Okay, so when you right click, you don't see a sell limit in there.
No, when I right, I only see a sell stop. I don't see a sell limit.
No. If it's trading view, another person should confirm for us. If it's trading view, you should be able to see that in there.
Yeah, I only see alert, add alert, buy limit, sell stop. I don't see the sell limit.
Buy limit, sell stop. Oh, now check it and see. Check it. Okay. So if you do a market buy or a sell, a buy stop or whatever, you are not able to come to the top of it, like not under it. You need to make sure that the mouse pointer, whatever you're doing, is above it.
If I go to the top of it, the only options I see is buy limit and I see sell stop. I don't really see sell limit.
Buy limit, and a sell stop.
Yes, that's what I see, because I think that's when you right click. I saw you have a lot of options on yours.
Buy stop, sell limit. Yeah, it looks like he did a buy stop or a market buy, and then on top of it, he's not able to see sell limit. When you right click, you're supposed to see a sell limit.
Yes, because when you right click, you see a sell limit on yours.
So when you right click, do you see all the things that I see over here? The reset chart view, copy price, paste, add an alert, sell limit, sell one NQ, whatever, buy one, whatever. Do you see? Do you get all these options over here, or you don't see all these options?
I see you see sell limit, but I see buy limit, and then for yours you see buy stop. For me, I see sell stop, and that is right on top of the buy. Yeah, I see opposite what you see.
Okay, what about if you do? Okay, let me do a sell and see if you'll get to see the same thing or not, because when a buy and a sell is they are different. So let me do a sell too and see if the same options are right in there or not, or maybe a different kind of options get to show in there.
Okay, I'm also doing a sell, so we see.
Okay, let me do a sell and see. So I'm doing a sell. I've done a sell. So a sell, you will put a buy stop at the top. That is going to be your stop loss.
Okay. The same thing. I see opposite what you see. For a sell, I see a buy limit. I don't see the sell stop. I don't see the buy stop. I see a sell limit, a buy limit, and I see a sell stop. I don't see a buy stop. So what you are seeing, I see opposite on mine.
Okay. Hold on. Let's go to your. Let's go to your. That is inside your trade settings also. Trading settings. I'm not sure you have.
Yeah, maybe one with down with that.
Display. No, you should have all these things. Display buy sell button directly on the chart. Instantly. One click this. Yeah. Do you have all the settings? You should have all the settings, right?
Okay,
in the right place.
I do. Okay. One, stop clicking. Okay, that is unchecked. And then position ordered. I see it. Okay. I was there once. The one tap trading was unchecked on mine.
Okay.
I checked that one now. Let me see. I think the rest I got it. Orders execution snapshot. You see the orders execution snapshot. Okay, check. All right. I think everything's okay on mine.
Okay.
Let me see if I do buy limit and I put.
Because it's supposed to work just like that. It's supposed to.
Okay, so when you do a sell, I'm supposed to see buy limit at the top, right?
Yes, when you do a sell, you're supposed to yes. When you do a sell and then you right click at above the price, you're supposed to be able to put in a buy stop as your stop loss.
No, I still see the same thing: buy limit and sell stop, even at the sell. So it's opposite what you see.
is not right. That's not. Okay, let's see. One more thing. I'm wondering if there is any kind of reset somewhere. Hold on. There should be some kind of a reset. Yeah. I don't remember. Reset somewhere. Jawai, are you doing okay? Yeah. You're not taking any trade. But we the 15 minutes, you didn't take the 15 minutes of breakout. Okay. In the 5 minutes. Yeah. Oh, what I put in the box. Okay, so I drew some box over there. Yeah, there's a lot of things going on, and that might. So the problem is that you don't see trading view. Sell. So limit when I so and only the second option, because a buyer, I can do a sell stop at the top, and then a sell limit at the top. I take profit, and then a sell limit, a sell stop at the bottom as my stop loss. That's one. But when you do the market order, you are able to also control, like expand on the order itself, and then pull the stop loss and profit too, right?
No. You don't have that option. You have that option on TradingView, but you don't have that option on TradingView.
Oh, are you referring to all this to TradingView, or you talking about TradingView here?
Now this is TradingView. What the issue that I'm telling you is TradingView. So TradingView, you are able to expand the stop loss, profit, on the side. But
yeah, like when I put in the market order like this, I'm able to adjust the take profit and then the stop loss.
Exactly, and this is good on TradingView. So for TradingView, I don't have issue doing that. But TradingView, you don't have the option to adjust it. You don't have the option to adjust it.
Okay.
Like you only do the stop limit and stop, and then it's still not showing. It's showing the opposite of what you see. So I've tried it several times, and so I was even telling Nigel that I was going to ask you today. Because I've tried it, I don't see that. It should work for you as well. It should work for you nicely on TradingView. Let me see. Oh, TradingView, So TradingView, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. So market order. Even on TradingView, I still see the opposite of what you see. So I did it. When I do it, I get there and it doesn't cut and I realize that no. Something is wrong. So what you are showing me today, I see an opposite of what you see. If you put in a buy, the sell limit that you have to put on the bottom, on the top, I see buy limit. I don't see sell limit. I see sell stop. I don't see sell limit. Yeah, so I see opposite of what you see. Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah. So you let's see if the momentum goes down a little bit and then we go on good, we can fix it. Because
Okay, hold on.
we don't want to distract the rest of the people on the call. Maybe they want to take.
No, that's fine. It's absolutely fine. We just
because Teddy is on the Teddy is on there now. Teddy's off today, so you want to get.
Oh, Teddy's off?
Yeah. So Teddy is on the line now. He wants to get some money now. He wants to pass all his account today.
Teddy wants to pass his accounts all today. Today is a passing day. But account that he is working on, is it an account that you can pass in one day?
No, I'm just saying. I was just saying that. I said that.
Yeah, no, I know. You're just saying. I was just saying that accounts that you can pass in one day.
Trading View is having issues, man.
The Trading View, there's some serious lag going on. Too much people. A lot of people also want to.
I need to create a personal account on Trading and start using the Trading system itself and see, because the Trading View is not helping with momentum at all. Because I'm not able to put a sell limit and stuff. I have to catch it myself, and you are always behind.
Oh, it's very easy. It should work. Hold on, it should work. We'll figure it out. I'm trying to log in here to my up to one of these accounts. It's not logging in. Why? Oh God, crap! What's wrong? Why? Let me close this and reopen it again. Maybe not trading it. It's pushing up, right? Market is pushing up. Yep, market is really trying to push out of here.
Teddy CEO onto me.
Oh, hold on.
I'm not sure.
Well, one name is he the one that has the name Shigon? He's not logging here. He's not logging into the stream yard. He's not in here.
Oh no, I'm here, Nana.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're the one that has the ID. Shigon. Shigon. That's that. Shigon.
I think it may have been on my side because I've been trying to talk. Yeah, the issue Fox is having, I'm having the same issue.
Let's see. We'll try and look at it. Okay. I'm going to log in now. Hey, can you guys see my screen right now on TradingView? Hey, TraderBait.
Yeah, I can. Nice.
Okay, let me plug in my charger on this now, guys.
Hey, why you more account?
I can even use micros to test this for you guys. Let me use micros too. Let me use micros over here. So typically, what you guys are saying is that if you right click over here, so on TradingView, if you right click, you have options: sell limit and buy stop. Because price is under, I get to have sell stop, right? Or if price is over here, I can do a sell stop, which means price will come down under it. But let me do something like a buy stop, right? If I put a buy stop over here, you guys can see over there, buy stop is there right now, right? And then over here, I can do a sell limit. I can put a sell limit at the top. That means if price gets to the top over here, take me out, right? That's going to be my sell limit, right? And then under this price, I can do what? A sell stop, and that's going to be what? My stop loss, right? So now I have the entry over there. I have my take profit here, right? I have my stop loss also under over here. And you should be able to right click in there for this to give you so easy. And then when price move up a little bit, I can simply drag, my stop loss as well, in there. I can drag it anytime that I want.
Yeah.
So that is for a buy. That is for a buy. And then a sell. We'll do another example also for like a sell, right? We'll do another example. So I can push my stop loss over here to break even or whatever, so that if price was to come down or whatever, it can take me out. Or I'm dragging it anyhow that I want, and it works fine. So I can drag it here, I can simply drag it there, and that's it. So if price is pushing up, whatever, I can simply be following the price, right? You can be following it until maybe it takes you out. So now I'm out. Okay. All right. So let's try for like a sell to the same thing. I can do a market sell, or I can do a sell. I can do a sell stop, or I can do a market sell. It works fine. So let me say I do a market sell, right? This is a market sell. Market sell, the same thing. I can put a buy stop here as my stop loss, right? So this is going to be my stop loss, and I can do a buy limit under as my take profit as well. So now if price is dragging down, it's going to put me in profit, and if price hits my stop loss as well, it's going to take me out as well. So this is my stop loss. So I can be dragging it as well. If price is to retrace back or whatever, I can be dragging my stop loss in here. Let's say I'm making profit, right? So I can be dragging it to lock in some profit, right? So now it has locked some profit in.
Yeah, maybe I will do that on TradingView also. Hey, trading vacancy, but the TradingView, like I said, I see opposite of what you see. So let me also buy just one contract here and see.
Yeah, so you can just buy just one contract, with a market buy or a buy stock or something, and then you wait for price to get a sleep right there. So it's still trading within this box right here.
And then on the trading view also, do you right click or where do you go to find a
Yeah, so on the, so on the trading view, it's very easy. Like, you know, if you do like a sell, when you do a sell, you can right click, you know, and it will give you, or even the plus sign, you know the plus sign that shows here on the line.
On the trading rate itself.
No. I talk about trading view or talk about, you know, trading rate.
Trading rate.
Oh, trading rate. Oh, let me cover that. Oh yes. So even when you click inside the chart, it will give it to you. Yeah. You know, for that, you know, when you click inside the chart, it will give you that option. So whenever that you click inside the chart, it will give you that option. Anywhere that you click, it will let you know. If you click above the price, right? So for instance, if you click above this current price of 30,283, if you click above it, it will give you a buy stop and a buy sell limit, because that is the only option that you can have above the price. When you click below the current price, it will give you sell stop and then buy limit, because definitely that is the only kind of trade that you can do when you are above, when you are below the current price.
Okay, so how do you put a line?
Okay, so now what do you want to do? Do you want to buy or do you want to sell?
I want to buy.
Okay, to buy. So you need to click above the current price right now. I know price is moving, it's gradually moving, but you need to click above the current price. What time frame are you on? 5 minutes or 1 minute?
5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. So you need to click somewhere above the current price and then do a buy stop or something like that, right? A buy stop. So you need to do a buy stop. And then when you do a buy stop, you immediately put a sell limit at the top or a sell stop at below it as your stop loss. So the sell stop is going to be your stop loss. So for instance, if I do one micro over here, if I put a buy stop over here, right now I put a buy stop over there. I can also put, you know, a sell stop at the top over here, and that's going to be my take profit. So now I have a buy stop and then a sell limit here as my take profit. And then under over here, now I will wait. The reason why I will wait is that when I put a buy limit down here right now, you know that the first buy stop that is here, the price has not engaged. The price has not engaged out yet. So if I put a buy limit over here, there's a likelihood that price can come down to the buy limit and then get a buy limit, right? Without hitting the buy stop that I already have in there. So I will wait before putting in the stop loss.
Oh, you wait till it picks the order?
Yes, it needs to pick the order first, because this is not an OCO. If it was a bracket order, then I don't mind. Right? If it's a bracket order, like I have, you know, some bracket orders over here for NQ. If I have a bracket order OCO, you know, thing, then when I put in, automatically it has already defined my stop loss and my profit target. That one I don't mind. But for this one, this is a manual entries, right? It's a manual trade entry, so you need to be careful, right? You gotta be careful. Yeah, you know, you need to put in the buy stop. If price has not come for your buy stop yet, you can put a buy limit here. Because what is going to happen is that if price trade down here, like as you're seeing, if price comes down here to the buy limit that I put over here, price will get the buy limit. Yeah. Because the buy stop has not been engaged yet. It's still pending. There's still a pending order, right? So if right now, for instance, if some news or something happened, then it's a wick, boom, to the downside, it will definitely pick up my limit right now, the buy limit, and then begin to trade up for me, right? Yeah. But because this one was not engaged first. And so we always put in the buy stop first, put in your take profit as well if you want to do one, and then you wait for price to get you. If once it gets you, then you already define your stop loss, maybe 10 point something. So let's say if it's a 10-point stop loss or whatever, that would be about maybe 30,309 or something like that. Because this is 319, right? So maybe 309 or something. That's my 10-point stop loss or whatever. If that's what I want to trade. So typically, you know, that's how I do it. I deal with it over here. Yep, this box is becoming, you know, very tough to cross. You know, the rectangle box that I drew over there is becoming a heavy, major stumbling block right now. for price. Hopefully we are able to break out whether to the downside or upside. We don't care.
I just need more practice on the trading because if it is going up and then we can even set where it has to pick and buy and then when it has to fail and sell it for you. I think that would be great because trading you will just click on the buy limit, the market buy, and then if you are not fast enough, it just
I think it's not the same. If you're not fast enough on TradingView as well, if you hit a market buy or a market sell, you need to put in. But I don't think price, unless you are trading some kind of news, right? But typically price will not move quickly like that. You will have the time opportunity to put in your stop loss. Let's say price action engage you or limit order or your buy stop line or whatever. I think you will have some time to do it. I've done it over and over and over and over and over, and I know whenever I do it,
I mean, for TradingView, you have the option to put a stop loss and everything. I just have to make sure do my settings where I don't see the opposite of what you are seeing or putting the sell limited.
Even that I'm maybe surprised a little bit. Why?
Yeah, that's what I see. Yeah, maybe after this call, maybe you can put in a zoom, and then you can see the settings.
Yeah.
Then are you seeing the opposite on your TradingView? Because I'm seeing the same thing.
But when you do, are you getting the same thing as well? Like what Fox is getting? Are you also getting the same thing?
Yeah, for TradingView, yes. I'm getting the same.
So, for instance, if you do a buy, I want to know what you see. If you do a buy right now, like I've done on TradingView right now, I do a buy. If I want to put in a stop loss, I'll just have to, click on this plus sign over here and put in what? A sell stop at the bottom over here, below price, and say, hey, this is my stop loss, right? And then if I want to do a take profit, I just have to put in a sell limit at the top. What's over here? For some reason, my stop loss, I know the TradingView is order rejected, selected price isn't valid for this or that type, whatever. It's lagging behind. So when I put in a stop loss, it's supposed to have put that in for me, but it looks like it didn't take it at the right time, whatever. So, but typically when you right click, I should give you that option, and then even when you come to the price side over here on the chart, you should see the plus sign as well.
That's what I was doing here. I only saw like the two options for the opposite of what I was buying. So if I was doing like buy stuff, I would be like this. I'll stop.
So when you do a buy or a sell, I want to know the option that you see on your end. What do you see on your end? Okay, let's do a buy first. On your TradingView, if you do a buy, whether a buy stop or a market buy, what option do you see above it and what option do you see below it?
No, I just do the buy stop. I see sell limit, sell 20 limit, and I see the buy 20 at the price stop. And then there's a third one which is buy 20, stop something limit. So I don't know if that's the one. Let me see if I can get a picture. I'm seeing three options: one sell limit, and one for buy stop, and the other one is a buy limit. But does it make a difference if the price has yet to pick up your order? Or
can you say it again? I missed the option that you were giving. So you what did you do? Did you do a buy or a sell?
I did a buy.
Okay, you did a buy. Okay, so the buy on top of the price. Well, did you see do you see like a sell limit at the top where you can put your take profit?
Yes.
Okay. So when you do a buy, you can see your sell limit at the top. Okay, and then at the bottom of it as well, do you see your what you call it, the sell stop as your stop loss?
I don't see a sell stop. I see a buy stop, and there's
You
a
see a
buy line.
buy stop, buy stop. You don't see a sell stop, but you did a buy, right?
I did a buy, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You did
I
a
guess
buy
that
like this.
doesn't
You did
make
a
a
buy
difference.
like this.
Yes, doesn't make a difference if the price is yet to pick it up, because I did it above the current what you call it, the current price.
You did a market order, right? You did a market order or you did a buy stop?
I did a buy stop.
Oh, okay. So the price has not engaged it yet.
Yeah.
I
I
don't
don't
know
think
whether
it's
that makes a difference. Hold on. Let me see if that makes a difference. If I can test it as well and see if that makes any difference. Okay, so you do a buy stop. Let me try and see if I can get something quick here. If price can get me quick buy stop. Oh, it's going. Yeah, buy stop here somewhere. Okay, there's the buy stop. So buy stop here.
Yep.
If price to get us quick, and then I'll put a sell limit over here as my take profit, and then I will wait. That's what I'm saying, that I will wait till okay. So boom. So now the buy stop has worked, and then I'll put a stop loss over here. That's going to be my sell stop. This.
Oh, okay.
So the sell stop is going to be my what? My stop loss. You see, the stop loss has been engaged right now.
Okay. So I guess it probably makes a difference if price has picked it up yet. Because
Yes.
okay, let me try it on trading. See if I can. I'm about to try to paper trade.
No, try all this thing we're doing on trading view, paper trader. Don't do it on the real account.
No, I'm doing it.
Don't
That's why I
mind,
did that.
don't mind, and I'll do it on a real account.
Let me ask you, let's answer that question. So I'm on S&P. Let me do
$100, man. Mr. $100. All that Mr. $100 looking for is $100. $100. That's what you're looking for. Mr. $100. You're looking for just $100.
James, in the tenant gajo.
Mr. $100, you know, also $100 per pair. Or pick us, or $50.
No, waji 20 abumwana. James, kwaji 20 boom na onya 100 at 2,000.
trading VI slow. Yay.
Okay, so now I have to check my settings and everything. I think now I'm seeing what you see now.
Yeah, what did you do different?
Okay, I went to settings. Let me call a trading. Now, in general, first one, we check here. One tap trading, buy and sell buttons. Positions and orders needs to be checked.
Then I mean now fix all one day, one click, trade,
One click,
Let
still
me now, yeah, because I mean
no
that
for trading view. I'm on one click, but okay. Only one tap trading in the can be.
on your everybody not your work out on your confirm and
Okay. Because I don't know what
born momentum because
momentum. One way because I never confirm, Charlie.
I'm down not the one.
Why destroy me? Why destroy me? Yeah. Now I see what you see.
Oh, okay. What happened?
I don't know. I think I went to the trading settings and the trading. I make sure I checked everything that I needed to check on orders,
Okay.
executions, and all those kind of. So I see what you
No,
see.
okay,
But
okay.
one thing that I also realized that whichever hits, whether if you are doing the buy and you do the sell stop and then the sell limit, if you get to the sell limit, you need to manually go there and cancel the sell stop because it's not going to cancel automatically.
Well, if that's not going to take profit, if you put in a sell limit, as an example, if you were doing a buy and you have a sell limit as your take profit, and you've gotten some profit in, and you think that it's okay, you don't want it to get to your sell limit as your take profit, then you have to manually maybe cancel that.
No, I'm not even talking about if it gets to the sell limit and it takes you out and you get your profit. But the sell stop that you have at the bottom will still be there.
Oh, it will still be there. It will still be there. Yeah. It will still be there. The sell stop.
Yes.
Yeah, the stuff that you had, because this is not an OCO. If it's an OCO, the one order, when profit is reached, it cancels the other order. This one
exactly.
Bracket. Yeah, it's on the bracket order.
So you need to go back and cancel the other one.
Yeah. You just have to exit. You just have to close it. At the bottom over here. If it was an OCO, the one order cancels the order. As soon as one order is engaged, profit engaged, the stop loss becomes noise. It becomes invalid. So that cancels it out. Completely.
But they actually trade a bit, because
but after the tournament, we'll practice more. We'll do a demo, maybe a demo or something, and then we'll practice more on that one because
trading view,
this
yeah.
We need to do that. It's trying to retrace a little bit now.
It's best. Trade a bit. I kind of like to. I don't trade very often on, and even inside trading view now. I don't trade very often, like frequently on trading view now. All my trade actions happens on trade a bit, quick, in and out, tempo. Yeah. It just
today the lag is like very excessive. I don't know why. But
yep, the lag is crazy. It's just crazy.
It's taking at least like 10 to 15 seconds to see the.
There's more on that. When you put in I've done multiple orders. When I put in something, it takes forever for it to execute. For it to reflect over here. I mean, the lag is crazy.
Oh, the momentum.
Yep. By the time I want to hit it, sell. Nah, it's already done that. Can buy back one. These seconds and sana it will reflect. Like I've already hit buy, and it's not reflecting. By the time it comes over here, then it's already gone. It's already left you, behind. And then when you hit a sell, by the time it reflects over here on the chart, it's already left you behind. So I'm sure said they are trader or something. If trading view as a trader, I'm sure they will have a trader or something. They may have announced it, or there might be some announcement or whatever that they are experiencing some kind of delays or whatever, and they are working on it. I'm sure maybe in their Discord or whatever communities that they may have put something over there to let people know that, hey, yeah, something like that is going on.
She gone. Yeah.
She gone.
Gone.
She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone, eh? She gone. She gone. She's dropping, eh? She's dropping some sauce. She gone.
She's gone, Anna.
NQ is gone. Let's see if we can catch some of the drop. Can we catch some of the drop here? Where's my? We gotta be careful. It's retracing back aggressively.
Some zones we should pass, yeah.
Oh, okay. So it tested that zone. Oh, where are you going?
There's a 3-minute time frame zone there. Imagine. It's a 3 minutes.
You know, it looks like that's and it picked up the 1 minute too.
Yeah, there's a 1 minute and then there's a 3 minutes. So you pick out the 1 minute and it's just pushing up aggressively like crazy.
Yeah, this is a quick. This is usually what I used to pass all my evaluations. Quick $1,000 risking. One is a good 1 minute, and it's also good in 3 minutes. You know definitely there's going to be a reaction. I risk 1,000. I put in my stop loss. I put in my profit target 1,002 or maybe 1,000, and then it hits me tap and I'm out.
Crazy.
Yeah, if the zone is good on both on 2 different time zones, you know that definitely there's going to be a reaction. I do that to confirm, and then once I hit that 1,000 stop loss, you get it. Charlie, there's no time to waste. You know, numbers games.
Yep.
Numbers games. Some will be casualty. Some will you save some.
Oh, yeah. There will be survivors and there will be victims.
You take some. You take some to cash out. You take some. Definitely, the cash out is going to suffice for.
Yep. Yeah. There's
One
always
thing that I didn't realize. Yeah, one thing that I didn't realize, and I told Nigel, I'm yet to tell Evans, and I called Evans last night. You know, I mixed him. He called me back. I also missed his call, and I said I'm yet to tell Teddy. Trading rate, Apex has. If you want to do, the 20 account giving you 260, or if you have some of the account in Apex already, you want to add up to 20. I have 5, so I added 15 to it. I have bought the no activation fee one, but so maybe somebody wants to be on the safe side. You want to do the one with the standard one, and later on when you pass, you go and pay the activation fee, even though you are going to pay $40 extra on each account. But that is a safe one. In case you blow it, it means you didn't spend so much money on it, on that one. And then once you pass already, what's it, Anna?
I would say that they should go for the no activation one.
Okay. And then
the one with no activation.
But the no activation, then you need to be very, very strict on your risk management and be careful so you don't blow all of them together.
She gone. Where are you going?
Oh, I see. Another one right here.
Crazy, eh? It's just crazy, ridiculous price action. Oh man, NQ, you gotta love NQ. You don't see that much on even on trading view. Trading view is very slow. You don't see that part of thing. When you look at Tradebit, that's where you get to see the real battle between the bulls and the bears, right? But it's crazy. Crazy, eh? Because of the news. I mean, sometimes, a day before a major news like NFP is coming, non-farm thing is coming tomorrow, people are, sitting on their hands a little bit, right? They're waiting for what's going to happen tomorrow before they jump in. Some people are very careful with this market. They don't joke around with this market at all. they know that the kind of atrocities that this market can cause, and so they don't joke with it. They don't joke with it. They know that this market is not kind at all. Sometimes, and so they want to sit on their hands and wait till whatever better price action comes up before, if they want to participate in anything, they do it, right? But the market can be crazy. Can be crazy. No mercy. Crazy, insane. This is crazy, crazy. I just did $1,000 on this account. Crazy, eh? But you gotta be fast on the trigger. If you're not fast on the trigger, you can't. I just 1,000. You gotta be so fast. The way price is moving. Look, just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this reaction. That's so crazy. But when you come on when you come on TradingView, you don't see that at all.
No.
You don't see it. TradingView is calm. 1 minute is not showing anything. That's ridiculous. But on here, no, it's not like that. Oh man, very volatile. The volatility over here is real, guys. It's real. Gotta be careful. It is not that calm, gentle market right now. No, it's not. So if you're looking for a very calm, gentle break of structure, okay, let me do a buy here, sell here. No, this one is for people who are also rough. This market is for people who are also very rough.
People who can handle the shit gone.
Oh, you're going. All right, we're going straight to the top. You're going down. All right, straight to downtown. Let's go. Shit going. You got to be also rough with it. You got to be rough with it. Crazy. This is insane. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, should I go in again? Yeah. Once it break that structure down there, 1 minute, maybe I might attempt to re-enter again. Crazy reaction. Get down here. All right, guys. Let's see over here. So there are a couple of break of structures going on. Typically I want to look at the high time frames, and I know that high time frames is looking very bearish, right? So that's why I was selling. I took some $1,000, but it was a sell because I was looking at the high time frames. You can never go wrong, even though in the intermediate there might be some pull up, 10 points, 15 points that will push up, but in the bigger picture or in the grand scheme of things, it's bearish, right? So if you look at the 1 hour, it's bearish. If you look at 30 minutes, super bearish as well. If you look at all these, lower time frames, coming down, you know that the market is dropping. So definitely, even though it can be week, right? It can drop and then week up 10 point, 20 point, but still the continuation to the direction of the higher time frame will continue, right? Even though in the intermediate, when you go to the 1 minute, we might see some bullish candle that might pop up and then begin to pop up to the upside, but that does not take away the fact that it is bearish on the grand scheme of things. It's looking like they want to sell. We are going to experience some sell-off. So something like this, as an example, right? We might see a bullish candle like this, pop up like this, and then push up maybe 15 point, 10 point, but it does not take away the fact that high time frame is always right. High time frame is always right. Like something like this. right? We might see a reaction, boom, and it's beginning like it wants to go 20 points, 25 points, and then we'll begin to see it, sell off again. High time frame is always right. But with that in mind, you need to have some good kind of, allowance for your stop loss, right? Because if you're going to trade it and you know that high time frame is on your side, it's going to go down, you still need to have some kind of good stop loss in mind. Maybe $300, $500, $1,000, something like that. That gives you a breather a little bit. But if you're just going to do 10 points, 10 points is very small. 10 points is like $200, right? It might hit you, take you out frequently, because if you are trading like this with a high time frame in mind, then you need to give yourself some kind of good allowance and say, hey, I'm willing to maybe go 500,000 or something like that. It's not advisable. Me personally, that is how I look at it. As long as the high time frame is on my side, that is how I might look at it and say, well, there might be some few reaction over here, but if I have a good allowance in for stop loss or whatever, it might maybe sell off again or whatever, right? As long as the high time frame has not changed. And again, the market is not static, right? So every about 5 to 10 minutes or whatever, be checking, right? Because you don't know the market makers who's going to drop $1 million in the market, and that can change the dynamics of the market immediately. So if you look at the 1 hour candle, we were very bearish right now, but look at it. Look at some buying pressure that is stepping in right now, right? This is 1 hour. Just about some few seconds that I was talking about this, I saw a serious, bearish, some serious crazy sell-off happening, and this was super bearish. All this candle was filled, right? But some few seconds ago, look at it over here. So there are some buying pressures stepping in, but as to how if they'll be able to, rewrite the script for what the sellers want to do, that remains to be seen. And so, high time frame is always right, but there can be some quick reaction. Some of this kind of bullish sentiments happening in there. If it comes to lower time frame, you'll begin to see this kind of green candles popping in, and you might begin to think, oh, there's a buy, it's a buy, but it will push to some few points, and then it will begin to sell off again aggressively again. And so you just have to make sure that you have your confluences and your confirmations right, because this is just a temporary thing, right? If it's not a proper V-shaped recovery happening in 15 minutes, I will believe this when I see in 15 minutes or 5 minutes, as an example, I see a very long wick, green candle push the upside, then I believe this. But if it's just the same candle that we are trading in that is just pushing in like that, then I see that this one does not carry a lot of weight for me, right? If a green candle has opened up, when this candle closed and a new candle opened, and the new candle that opened started from the bottom over here like this, with a green candle pushing up with a long wick at the bottom, and then closing, closing off on taking out this lower over here, and then open up with a massive candle at the top over here like a hammer, with a long wick at the bottom like that, then I know that the bulls are rewriting the market, direction again, right? But for something like this, I'll take this with a grain of salt and then wait for a little bit, because that might not be how the market is, the bulls are stepping in to change it. I'll wait till, I see some structures form, a higher highs, in there, possibly even break, the 14 EMA sitting right here, right? If we close about the 14 EMA sitting right here, then I know that, definitely, the bulls have stepped into the market and they're changing it, right? Something like this is great, but I would have loved for me to see this in a green candle, right? But something like this is what I mentioned. So it's beginning to change, right? The bulls are beginning to step in, but that remains to be seen. Like I said, we want to close above, the 14, to sort of give us an indication that, hey, this is where we're going now. Oh, so I have VWAP. Okay. Okay, so that's my VWAP. So we are down below the VWAP. So bearish is bearish. It's still bearish. Where's my 200 EMA? change this to 200. Yep. So that's a rejection, right? So it came and tapped the 14. Looks like we have a rejection going on. It's rejecting it. If you're able to close above it, then we know that intermediate, the bulls are stepping into market. Crazy, crazy, crazy price action. Crazy, eh? It's crazy. It's insane. A day before a major news like that, people are very careful. Yeah. Matter of fact, some people will wait till the news come up tomorrow before they'll go ahead and put in their money. They're very careful like that. They'll be sitting on their hands and waiting till that major news happen. Let's see the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour doing? All right. So this is the 15 minutes as well. The 5 minutes time frame. So, sometimes I love trading view, especially when I'm in travel or something. That's the quickest way for me to trade. I'm still yet to learn Tradovate app. I have the Tradovate app, but there's so many things that I need to set on it. So I don't use it. I think I've used it maybe once or so. There's a lot of things that you need to set on it, to be able to be free and conversant with it, like to be able to trade like I trade on the web. And so there's so many things I need to change. But on Trading View, it's so easy. Even when I'm sitting in my car or whatever, it's so easy for me to do my market buy and sell and take me out with the trade as I see my profit, or even expand on my stop loss, etc. It's very easy on the app. Very, very, very easy as compared to the Tradevate app. Nyepa, nyepa. Look at the dump. Crazy, eh? Look at the dump. Look at the dump. looks like they want to really dump over here. Yep, that's a higher time frames, my guys. Higher time frames. If higher time frames say that we are selling, who am I? Sitting at a place that water is taking us. Flood going on. If people with millions are talking, that your gutters are overflowing. You have to watch out. People with money, they're bringing in millions. You that your gutters are overflowing, you say you want to say something in the market. You have nothing to say. Crazy. She gone. She gone. She gone. Yeah, this kind of reaction is what I'm talking about. The reaction here. Look at it. Almost 40 points up. That's a crazy thing. Yeah, madness, pure madness. Look at that. They'll start pushing again. They'll push it again and again and again and again and again. Yeah. But we are selling off. This is what we are selling off. Better push. Crazy. Look at that. They still keep going, keep going, keep going. And then we'll sell off over there. We'll sell off, from this angle again. Yeah, we need to sell off right there. Yeah, Maza, someone should trade you party, trade the other, careful because you hit on something the way the time that it takes to reflect, not good. So you guys have to be careful if you guys are using this to trade. Yep. Be careful right there. It is not the best of tools to trade with right now. Price keep going, keep going, keep going. By the time it comes in, you're already gone. She gone. Nasdaq is gone. 11 seconds more for this to close. With the 5 minutes doing. Ooh. That's some cray with a little ray. Some crazy thing going on with a little ray in there. Unless on a market like this, if you want to be on the safer side, maybe you pick up some micros, right? But it doesn't move too fast on you. Because if you pick up mini, 4 mini, 5 mini, 34 points, 40 points, she gone. Your account is gone. 30 points, 40 points, your account is gone. Yep, your account is gone. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone. Do we see something like a W shape, pattern forming? I kind of like the week actions over here. The wicks at the bottom over here. But yeah, so I'm going to put a box down here. I kind of like price will be able to trace past this box. Yeah. Anyemi nyeba nyeba. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone. She go. It's a crazy price actually. Tradovate is crazy, guys. Tradovate is just crazy. It's just crazy price action. Crazy. Just crazy. This area is becoming a bone of contention. That area over here is becoming a bone of contention over here for price. How we will navigate around this zone is the major hassle right now. How we can move past this. Once we cross this, I know, yeah, it can move up a little bit. But this box, struggling to move past that. Nigel, I hope you're doing okay. Your accounts that were in the ICU, hopefully, you're giving them some paracetamol and some MMB. Your accounts that were in the ICU, hopefully you'll be able to give them some some amoxicillin and some drip. You've given them some drip for them to revive a little bit, small.
And also say, yeah, the mark of mortuary than that.
If we were taking them to the morgue. Taking them to the morgue. Taking them to the morgue, then we'll find out. We will see. Crazy price action here. Yeah, that zone is becoming difficult for price to cross. I can see what's going on. There have been several attempts, right? So I see this attempt, push 1, 2, 3. All these attempts, to cross, and it was not doing it. Let's see the 1 hour. So it's yeah, it's crazy how we are struggling to pass this zone here. This drop here, becoming tough. It's becoming tough. Why is it becoming difficult for us to cross this? That's my 15 minutes up, man. And look at the money difficult. No, it is also at the 15 minutes up, and it's also within that same area. It's becoming like a point of interest, right now. Becoming a point of interest. Crazy. But I feel like they will take it out. What's the time? The bulls will take it. They will take it to the upside, definitely. Crazy. Market is retracing back again. Pushing it to the downside. They say but the things are even dry. A dry book.
Hey, sorry, maybe some cross the flat. More okay.
Your father is your father is in Yamira. My father is it came at our backyard. My backyard is a hippie crabat. It's very right inside. It's my father is what if Rabontion? If Rabontin trouble, it's me ramen gate inside. I got our backyard. Crazy. It's so crazy. Yeah. So crazy, eh? Crazy, 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 crazy. Jamuna mucha bruchri. Jamuna mucha bruchri. Flat in the hollow. Jamuna mucha bruni crew. What was your mucha bruni crew?
It was your casa. Earthquake.
Location behind us.
They are jago.
Over two, another anything for the boys. Over two, another. Over two, another. Something small for your boys. I think I'll go with something small for your boys.
I don't know. It's like your Bible talking.
Talking a donation. I think that I'll go with something small for your boys. I'll go for police officer for those say something small for your boys. I think that I like that one. That it too everybody.
Something small for the boys.
I think that police officer TV driver look at him say oboso yin show back me car echi we show you one we back one hey
but
It's only you. What's up, man? When you back on the back seat, when you show me, I'm saying, Massa, you don't cry.
I could share on the money school fees. So that was a papa. No more school fees.
I'm born down. I could have born down. I could have born down. I never know way. I could have born down.
I said the money school fees. Papa. No money school fees yet.
I could have born down. I kind of like it. Me no Jan say the obey each boss or no no or scared for his life. That's what where's scared for your life? Say me buy a two boy my day. On the get you too. What you too cry? On the get you too cry. Crazy. And the America, the be my idea. So yeah, America no and then North America, you know, a mark a cranaja. I'm about so Omololo, Otilo, I'm going. The Kakara, let's go and multiply it. Let's go and multiply it and let's build on it, Kakara. They know my I don't know. You be anyway who be I will be my different. I say my bag is just Omololo, Otilo. So the Bulls are trying. They're trying to see if they can push up to the trying to see if they can push up here. Yep, that's what they're trying to do. They are on the 50 minutes up again, the highest 50 minutes up, but it's still within the the area of interest.
Yeah.
Crazy. Yep, crazy price action here. Hey, no, Mr. France there be. I wish everybody good luck. Team on where France go one more. I wish good luck.
One see them only here when I say
that Olise guy is another beast. That Olise guy it's a beast.
on you they do.
Charlie, Olise and Mbappe combination is a wow.
That combination is wicked. Serious. Hey.
My Olise guy, my so far the tournament, Charlie, the boy am fake. What a play!
Hey.
Charlie,
serious.
Yeah, I said I can't
No, I've not watched that match like that. Make sure let me say, hey, what are you talking about? What are you talking about over here? I'm going to put what are you talking about? These guys are so smooth, so fluid with the ball.
If you see the attack, if they are coming,
the attack, they are so smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1-2 play is so crazy, man. France, man.
No, France is definitely a team. It's really a solid team. It's really no.
They went to the final 2020.
France here,
They went to final 2018. They won it. They went to final 2022. That was even on a penalty. They played better in the final than Argentina, but hey, penalties there. It's everybody's game.
Yeah,
to me, I watched the game. I watched the 2022 final game. They played super better. But Argentina, and now, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if they get to final again this time. And they even lift the trophy. They play so well.
No, Sanko for the
France plays so well.
No, me crazy. No, crazy.
But is it imagine for me African first level? No,
African first level is so much to do. But you go for Yeah, you're more continental. You're more continental. You're going for where? You're going for boy. Your boy somewhere to diaspora now. Boy, France boy, we in Africa for.
That's one baby's in India.
Crazy. I watch the attack. I'm saying, what? Hey, I don't think that we have that quality like that. Black Stars have that quality. I don't think that we have that quality like that.
No, we don't.
Shot on goals, target on goals.
We play politics with everything, bribery, corruption, and so we don't nurture good talent like the way this will do. No, you'll be a video.
Meanwhile, appearance fee. We hear England appearance fee, the other country appearance fee. Yeah, $100,000. You know, these people are giving them 10,000, 20,000 a day. Yeah, appearance fee. And I'm saying, no, times it's coming ready. The mama you play as a arrow. Oh my brother, and it's Romana. It's Romana.
One there's a chairman senior kakasha and bottom in the oil and cassia and just.
I can say I'm a cook. I was like a movie.
I handed no 10% grad.
Get out from this box. Hey, crazy. These guys are smooth. This is real football. Like, you enjoy it. This is attractive, entertaining, like, real football.
Oh, yeah. Charlie, this is very entertaining. Very entertaining.
It's attractive football. Hey, question post in England for as a body, you're not interested in. I must say, you're bought down.
Strategy.
You're bought down. You're bought down. We didn't come to play ball. We came say no. The England no money, so money. You be a no emperor.
The other one now do quick.
Yeah.
So strategy kaka.
England no more. You're careful. Meaning like what? Oh, second Omubu Fukra. Second England no money.
Management.
England should have, I think our music protest said, no, this is not football. They should come out from the post. Ghana players, they should come out from the 18 line.
Well, I was adhering to proper risk management. This is no one coach in here.
Bomb boy, idiot.
Well, what's the proper risk management? No coach in there as a parking bus.
Right there. Oh, there be that.
You want commissioner?
Crazy. It's trying. NQ is trying to break out. It's really trying to break out. I can see that it's struggling. Woo, she gone. I can see the poke. And definitely, they really want to go. Yep, I see the poke to the upside. They retrace, and now they're trying to come back again and then continue. NQ wants to go. What's on for more than an hour? I've been staying there for more than an hour. Now they want to go. Yep, they're getting out. Getting out from the box now. She gone. Mama not bread too much. Mama, thank you, bread. Thank you. So mama bread too much. Mama, you give too much. My you are too more than necessary. I've been working too much. Come on, let's go. See if we can get an expansion after some retracement. We want to see some expansion to the upside. You put me to work. Come on, let's go. So higher time frames. Market is very dynamic. Now it's looking very bullish now, right? Yep. Now it's looking very bullish right now. Yep. So higher time frames is speaking again. It's speaking for us. High time frames is working for us again. But we can see that the 200 EMA is also right there, right? If it's able to push back that, then I know it is now bullish, because that's the strongest indicator, right? The 200 EMA is the strongest indicator for trend. So if price is below it, it means bearish. If it's above it, it's bullish. It doesn't move like that. It's not easy for the 200 EMA to move. So if it gets moved, price get past it, that means something serious is happening. Let's see if the bulls can do some magic. Let's see if they can pull some magic here and keep going. Let's see if NQ wants to do its thing and take us to the moon, right? If they can push up and take us straight to the moon. Straight to the moon. Gotta be careful. Yep.
Strong regression on this.
Still struggling. Apex forces saying, okay, they keep sending me a bunch of emails. Need take it the other day. We want proof of your address. We want proof of this. Otherwise, we cannot do a payout. Then some cry really. Yeah, send a utility bill. Send send it, ticket. We bring proof of address. What are these people looking for? Huh. Apex for they. Okay, 11:25. The market needs to push up before 12. It needs to go somewhere. This market is not doing what we want to see, guys. If it continues like this, I'm gonna give NQ command for 10 minutes. If it doesn't do what we are looking for, then forget it. Forget it. We'll come back at a time that it's trendy. If you don't give us what we're looking for, because I see that that's all that you want to do. If you don't break out and begin to push up, then we'll say forget you. We'll forget you for today. I mean, he has already given us little something, some little coins here and there. APES, submit 2 documents: bank statement, government correspondent ID, utility letter, utility bill. What's all this? Show your current residential address, be dated with last 3 months. Otherwise, you cannot get payouts. Yeah, so before Charlie. Then more.
And these are on the new payout or the old one?
It's just some. Yeah, I don't know which. Yeah, this is on my old account. Yes, on my old account. Yeah.
Yeah, the legacy.
Yeah, yeah.
Those legacy there, Charlie, that's what people avoid. That's what they say when you paycheck time. It's a whole bunch of questions. But the new ones, Charlie, is very easy.
I am quite some cry. They just
new one. Madam, me legacy you come, baby blow you come, I'm a space you grab, but you account my and yes, no.
Legacy account today. It's just crazy. Oh, it's moving. Yeah, we read emails, it's moving now. NQ is gone. She gone. Oh, look at it. You could read the email and I say, "Mono can't tell me say NQ now. No, she gone. She gone. She gone. She gone. Ah, she gone. Well, look at that pullback. Crazy. Look at that pullback. Ooh. What these guys want to do? What these guys want to do today? Look at that pullback. Look at that. Look at that. No. She gone. She gone. Come on, let's go somewhere. Come on, Q. Come on, Q. Let's go. Madness. I took a buy quick, and then I put a stop loss in there. Madness, crazy.
No.
They are not giving them a chance. They are not giving a chance today.
Today's a tag of
crazy. Maybe stop loss to break even low as well. Because I know that anything can happen in this market. Anything can happen, so you got to be fast. It push it above my entry price. The cost because this is $65, as I say, $65. So Ebeko to my fan to break even. Wallahi, shame. I see it to the downside again. The bears. It's a tough market today. It's a tough market today. It's a battle. It's a tough market today. It's really a tough market today. Yep. That's 30,350 is crazy. Yep, that 30,350 mark over there. Yeah, we are right there. Yeah, it's a crazy, insane pivot line. 30,350. This market, is that what you want to do? Yeah, kind of wanted to go, and then boom, shim, uncle baby, thank you, so uncle. Will definitely take you out. I'm just gonna maybe get out. Yeah. Even the Benjamin said $900 and that's now go down to 500 something. Maybe I'll just get out. Just get out. It's pushing up there, but I'll just maybe if it's not able to go, maybe I'll put my stop loss maybe down here somewhere. If it's not doing it, nah, I'm out. I'm out for the day. That's it. If it goes beyond the stop loss line, that's it. No, trade of it. Oh, no, real account. I'm actually trading a real account. Yeah, this is a real account. This is a real funded account that we did Diagro. This is a real funded account that we did Diagro. Diagro. I should get out there. Yeah, maybe I'll just get out. Just get out. I don't know. I mean, you know, who knows? It might push also to the upside, or it might. But hey, if it takes me out here, it's okay. I still have maybe 400 and something profit in there. But it has eroded almost 400 of my profit for the day. That's crazy. It's taking out my $400 profit. But yeah, what's up, baby? Marketing is a beauty. It take me out, which I know is about to do, because it's pushing down aggressively to the downside. So definitely take me out. Take me out. Boom. It's done. It's taking me out. So hey, it's taking me out. It's already hit my stop loss. This still don't want to go. So I'm now back down to 434 on that account. I had about 930 something. Yeah, but yeah, we'll be back again tomorrow. We'll be back again on that account tomorrow to put in some profit. It's just crazy. Yep. And again, you'll say that, oh, let me put my stop loss a little bit to the downside. Then what if it's still continue to push to the down like it's doing?
That's all Kobe has some more.
They come here and say, oh, like I say, oh, but like, what if I put the stop loss to the downside? Let me show me up. What's the matter? I will say, boom. That's what it's doing. So when you set the stop loss, just let it play out. That's it. That's it. Oh, I'm going to cry.
Okay, I just did it.
Okay. Opa! What you perform? What you stop loss perform? What's up? Ready? I can't do the call. Ready? My God.
Because your phones are cut to you, who are bad. I'm
Find that account and I'm going to some A+ zone. It's no way the A+ zone there. Me man be stop loss 1,000 acquire. Now the any acquire send the number from the ready wait the man come at me. Nobody, but they say bomb desk and that's what happens. Ready wait the man come at me.
Yeah. Because look what he's doing. Yeah. You'll keep pushing, keep going. Because non-stop. With the only market yeah fanini agrosa oh yeah that's I could about stop loss like from crowd I call it so say I call you they'll be like this guy
I want to so what they said that too there's a 1 minute demand zone view also. Why should he?
So I mean, I'm just playing around. What's that? What's happening? Yep, now they are pushing up. Allah.
Okay, I mean,
Yeah, when they define a stop loss, no, what their profit is what they are taking away. You made 800 yesterday, and today you were making you made you made 700 on the 2 account yesterday. What happened? Oh, the first account is gone. The second account was a $247. I see you. I see you straight. That's an I see you. I see you. $207 drawn down there at the account there. That means you are in ICU. I don't know. Who intensive care unit? I don't know. What's a taste of loss? There, as a bonsam, a better show. Oh, my mention my phone crack. A better than who? A better than who?
And then if I'm not okay, me to me them will assume me see everybody. We could take you go from. My chairman,
Oh, a buffum. Oh, a buffum. A buffum. Oh, a buffum. What they say in your a buffum crack. Me baba be this one is here. Me baba be this one. Me baba be this one is here. Me this one is asana be free marketing for the day. Me be this one. My go pick if I 3 minutes. Let me do 4 minutes. Be this one. You're gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it. So either you go make or go home. You know.
Say with the abbey, you food my power. What's it that be? When you have Thank God for programs where you can have a lot where you can play around it and then win some. Other than that, Tally.
See that you go big or go home. I'm come to play something and see. Once you become disciplined, that's how you become profitable. The only way that anybody can become profitable in this market is when you are disciplined. That's it. Discipline is the only thing.
When you're disciplined, part you're winning you.
What's the problem? If you go back, discipline is the only thing that is needed to be profitable. As a discipline.
But Charlie, you do multiple accounts. Would you have got to me blown?
Yeah.
And then you back to square one. Discipline, Charlie. Crazy.
And you're just going to use the ATM. You're just going to leave it. But what if I don't stop loss at 10 points? It imagine that Osako expanding on your stop loss. Osako trick you. What trick you stop loss? Ever down, Emma, ever done one call, ever done a call, and then who down, and then who die. By the time my brother now you are out, you are with account is gone. First, I think years ago, where's more than 3 years ago? Now, so that was again said no, it's on spirit being a share. If I didn't achieve. It's only maybe out or stop loss because maintain say a battle will take you from your stop loss and then they begin to go the direction you want to go. They say, research say, is there any some kind of algorithm here? It takes out our money from the market and I said, I'm not saying and it is there's nothing like that. There's nothing. I'm saying no. I say it is just hunting me. It's just hunting me my money. See that person who say so sometimes I will open your friend and say YouTube and go and see say other people are also maybe live traders for no obi bbc and Discord among first I think the first time join joining the first Discord near the among to the Discord near they for a fee whatever. I wanted to see say almost are they seeing the same thing that like I'm seeing and I said I don't know where we taking the stop loss or music and I said I thought that some evil we was behind. Evil no say yeah evil no anyway Yeah, risk management discipline. That's it. Yeah, quite discipline. Every human being, man, free range. Or you might say, oh, this is a big account. This is a big account with huge drawdown. Oh boy, when your money freedom kakrado or best starting, it'll be use rough. Obey you see so I didn't know rough this year. Crazy the way he's doing it. 1 minute pushing up, so it traces back again into the box area, and now it's struggling to push up again. It's crazy. Crazy, eh? So crazy. Look at that. Look at that cell. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, customs.
Boom, boom. Manya musika back. If I kakra, manya musika back kakra. 870. At some base here, yeah. I was almost musika previous. I think 870, and I'm recovered to my 950. Let me do 950. You know, it has come $100. You miss a my Okay, let me go and pick up some one contract with this. I can get my $100 back. Was on massage 800 every because I call that's what day. I call that's because I call that's what you. I call that's what the papa. Yamani kakra one finance for the day. Or something is and then you
So one academy for headmasters.
So what academy? See, I saw what you did. That was the cigar. I'm sorry, music back. But you might what you music. Where from Mamu? I saw what you might. But whenever that I'm not sure of things, I just want to go ahead and do the micros and then see. Unless micros, I say I got the direction that I wanted, then I cancel it and come and take the minis, to continue. But so if it's not moving that direction, then then I can handle $40 loss on a micro, $50, $60 loss on a micro. But that $50, $60 loss on a micro, no, like a minia, and go to better 230, 240, I got $300 loss already. And so you're able to bring in like this. I should have taken this rejection. I saw it coming down. I was like, I was going to see the tap. They have given me some about maybe some 5 to 8 points to 10 points over here. Yeah. But it looks like the market is changing a little bit. Let me check something here. It looks like 1 hour, some crazy sell-off happening, right? Because we were able to push to the upside, and now it's 278, 277 is just dropping just like that. So the bears are stepping in again. The bears are stepping in. That's a bit of it. We are not married to one side. They can change the market dynamics anytime. And you need to be aware of this, what is happening. The bears are stepping in aggressively here.
Indiscipline. And by this time, put in my cash about 50,000 to 100,000.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
From what I have done so far in the market, Charlie, what I've been able to learn.
Yeah, giving you a lot. It would have giving you, rewarded you a lot, crap, by now.
Probably about $100,000 because after testing all my, regular demand and supply zones, I even did one on Friday and I showed it to Nigel and the rest of them. Indiscipline one, and I wouldn't even say indiscipline. I mean, I have gotten far, much better when it comes to discipline. But the only thing is, I got out of some of the trade extremely too early because you're about to yeah, especially when you know that I'm going with a trend and there's a zone that has picked for you and you're going. It's better to trail it than to leave early sometimes because a lot of them has gone more 5-2, 5-1, 6-1. Our risk 1,000. That alone could have given you what's first cash out to a account in order that. And then you keep building upon it. But to be them and then you take another trade, not just a while before, and then as I was a lot of us and 2-9 back on go back. 2-9 back. But then if you don't change, it's going to be the same. You need to develop the habit of doing that. Say no. If I'm going with a trend, I'm doing regular demand and supply, especially when there's no consistency, trail it because you never know how high it's going to take you. Trail it and make some good gains out of it.
Yep. Now we begin to do higher lower highs and lower lows, right? The structures is changing. The market structures is changing right now. To the downside. Once we lose this 14, that's it. We are already losing it. That means on the intermediate, we are bearish. Bearish now to the downside. You can look for sales. She gone, dropping like crazy. We're gonna get a pullback or sell off just like that. Man, are you guys serious? Are you guys serious? They're ready to go to the downside like that. Let me see how many minutes left on this candle. 24 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Are you guys serious? Oh, I'm looking at. Yeah, okay, 8 seconds left. And see how it will close. I want to see how this candle will close, and then the next candle that will open up. If you want to sell, continue selling to the downside. Were you trailing it? And I said, like, what comes to know? What were you doing? Where were you trailing it? Is it meaning that we turn a micro? What do you mean? How many minutes were you doing it? Yeah.
Hey, James. I believe how.
It took me, you know what happened? It could put 2 minutes there. So when I clicked it,
oh, for the one account though.
Yes. We lost the distance in the mid-cane.
Stop loss. See. Stop loss. JJ for what you can say. Money that I should have made from the market. But says America says can make it almost about 600,000 from this market. If me pull stop loss now. Now, some years ago, after that, me because you come with piece and you say running patch, me you. So years ago, I think I was down like those days I wasn't even trading problems. I was trading my life capital. Missing when I'm trading all the time. So I was down like 6,000 and say cry. I want to be running patch. Me you. When they be last one, they be last one, patch. Be last one. We see me you. Running patch. What? When they be you. When my next time every tracing back. Me say wow. My next time tracing back. Every me. Yeah. Ready? Ready? So we must move on. You make me a bit. Okay, be a bit. I'm not here for my so. I'll be faithful. I'm faithful. I'll not do it again. Maybe because you will be next day. Mr. Radin Pacho. Make sure stop loss. Stop loss was only $500, but you just have to do $5,000, $6,000. I have the problem. I can hear God say, "I was what the stop loss 500, and then I will go through my money could do 2,000, 3,000. That goes okay." Hey.
And
then you can't say, and then you can't say that. And then you can't say, yeah, $6,000 of your own capital, your own trading capital. It's gone. At about 25,000, and it reduced almost about 17,000 or so. Yeah, it reduced almost 18,000, something like that. 25,000 in my life capital. I'm really trading already. People say about them, Patrick. This is my last. Make your stop loss. You
know him, right?
Make your stop loss. And so, boy, we don't change up to today. Rebecca said, "Aquaville or stubborn. Well, who say I did and yet, and so still I know Ogusucho chain. Even after years back, Ogusucho chain stop loss no. And yes, I think would have been profitable. We have been making money. Even money that stop loss are taking from me alone. I think I'm aggregate here, and then I make kind of money that stop loss alone has taken from me. I'm here. Everybody was 150,000. No.
Trading cycle, you know, all the boy, and the boys because you for the reason and
the market the boys there.
Maybe about 60 in the 60,000 visa. This is the best. The $60,000-$70,000 visa. Stop loss alone. Say, economy chamba.
For years, why
everybody do. Because of course, you've made money as well. I've made money as well.
Exactly.
But stop loss assembly there, crazy.
Those the people who started this that time of profit in your popular scene. My idea.
Now trading one capital near a day. With that profit, and then I got accounting $39, $40 that they will talk.
We for 3,000. I got 30. But I
accounts a day. And then me $100 service my top a whole 100,000 accounts, 50,000 accounts. Hey, who the hell can they try? If you are wrong, you are wrong. It goes against you. You are depleting your own capital. Now the mom or wife who say you savings now the SR. My wife who say, hey, you savings is what is our SR so I'll recover. Now I mean anyone don't know I'll recover. I mean who say I'll recover. Say. Yeah, but recover. So I recover it. I'm out time. Now, it's a loss. Me see, it's a loss. The way I'm thinking, meticulous. No, say me just kind of loss now. The way I'm saying, so go back to my risk management rules. No, rigid. After that, me very tough on it. I didn't think the first one. The man get tough on it. After that, me lose the carry move. No, I recover.
They social better once. You blow it and then you buy another one before you start becoming very, very strict on what you have to do.
So how come say I was not tough on myself and following the same thing like I'm doing? At the point of being, my account balance be small one be account balance be. The way I was able to put profit on that, say $800 or $700 or account be sir. But I also want to make like 7,000 with that account. I say, to me, the cost. So how come say, with small amount of money, I can trade well, like be many trading well like that. I take profit, maybe I'm taking it like that. And then big account, when I see big profit, I'm not even taking it. Then it will bounce back on me. And it's not. It can move up $500 and I'm not taking the profit, and then it will come back on me again to become a loss. But if this thing move up $500 profit, why didn't I take it? I didn't Manfa. I didn't. What was I looking for? Maybe 1,000 or 2,000. I said, I didn't Manfa 500. No. Why?
And I can't and I can't crap.
What you know now? I was crazy with the mindset of say we have 3-1, we have 5-1. Though there's not me a very not me in trading momentum, and then I'm able to trailing it and taking the profit as it comes in tempo that maybe. Those days, my mindset was so rigid to myself, maybe 3-1. And the 3-1 in Yamaya, me that movie, it was myself. I was myself. 3-1 Yamaya movie is come on, put your leg on what is in right now. Put your foot on it, and that money is yours. I'm saying no. I said I mentioned I'm saying no. I think I need to shift that mentality of say I'm gonna keep looking for something like this. It's good to sometimes look at it that way too. It's not bad, If you can move to maybe break even, you can move to break even and just wait for it to play out. That day. Is that if you're not in a rush, if you're not needing something that's open to get that racing point, it's okay. Because sometimes we get out too early too as well. Something that is you already know that is going your way. Every indication so your market is going that way.
And the pay you could be any. And the pay and Colano, a year ready, I'll go school, you cry. Alice feeding Colano and better. I came at the right time. There was a retracement on Nasdaq and there was a demand zone. And I got into the demand zone. $1,000. It got me $500. No, Charlie, I'm out. Many years, I got 2-1. 215. Man block 500 Jamananya the FSA.
Yeah, that's it. Because
sometimes money, if we put it in the next 6 minutes, I'll join the meeting. If we put it on paper, it really makes sense. And I was telling Teddy when we were on Saturday before I called him, it really makes sense. Because if you happen to spend $3,000, even $3,000 on buying a 30 account. 30, the way why you say 10 crown and survive. You are going to be very aggressive and make sure you take some good orders for the 1%. You lose 20 out of the 30 and then get 10 of them funded. 10, you are going to be very aggressive, but this time you are not going to be quick to cut the list, but you break even, all that so you can create in case that charges you and you let it run. If 3 of them even takes you to what you have to do, what come on up, bro? So could I go in for some double? Even if you have to do with this simple calculation in mathematics, sometimes we get out too early. Way too early. Go me way. I'm sure all high time to say it's really for me. Nothing's going to stop it. Then I can let it run, Kakra. I can let it run. But if say the market is slightly choppy, it doesn't know what it's doing sideways, and it can. So free Not too early because I've been in seasons. I mean, several times 25-1, 11-1. Especially Nasdaq when you do the open market range and it traces and going your way. Oh, when they do the 3 candles, but you buy 5-1.
Yep.
When it is going your way, stretching the movement, then it is Nasdaq 5-1, 6-1.
Boom, it's gone.
What do you add the other that? When you're risking 500, 3,000, you are down for the day.
She gone.
I've seen open market range 15-minute breakout that boom $600, $800, boom $1,000.
Yes.
There was account B I had that was very sweet. Hey, that day me I'm feeling yama. Now me market very bien pre-market just at 928.29. I started seeing signs of bullishness, like momentum building up. And I'm saying, I need the marketing be fireworks. But the previous day, I think one of the companies on more Nasdaq inside, they first declared their profit, and it was so good. So they have already exceeded, I think it's Apple or something, right? Nvidia or Apple or something like that. And of course, they hold a greater percentage of Nasdaq. But I said they hold like 12% or 9% or something like that in the grand scheme of things when it comes to Nasdaq. So as I saw that number, I said, no, in the morning already, Nasdaq is going to rally. Nasdaq is going to push out like crazy. So 9:27, 9:28 a.m., 9:29, I'm saying, anyway, market need be this thing is going to push like crazy. It's going to rally like crazy. And market need be oh boy. Like the 50 points or 60 points, 70 points. Whoa! A fire non-stop. Anyway, there's one contract in the Tuma. Oh boy, a cockra. It's gone.
Yeah,
gone.
yeah.
Was gone. That day was really good. Very good. I mean, that's the nature of the market. You know,
yeah. We're joining meeting. We are joining you guys.
All right. Yeah, no, I might be heading out for lunch quick, you know. Maybe come back in the afternoon if there's anything better going on. But it looks like this market, guys, when you go into the intermediate time frame, look at what it's doing. We are essentially in this range, right? It is no good. That's all that we are doing. That's what they were doing. And I know, say, because of the NFP coming tomorrow, you know, people are very, very disciplined and staying on their, sitting on their hands. You know, that's what they are doing. Market is going nowhere. We can essentially stay over here in this range for the next 5 hours. It will do nothing. It will go up in the range like that. It will be playing in the range, 4 p.m. bubble. Then it's done. Yep. That's what it's can do. But yeah. It's better we sit on our hands and let a better market play it out on a good day than jumping on something that is not looking good to, only to be chopped. Yeah, only to be chopped. We don't want to do that.